1,000 people annually. Now let's send you around over to Weather Authority meteorologist Violet Skybar. And Violet, hopefully there's no rainy type weather that we're going to be seeing in those days with Harbor Fest coming up.
I know everyone's looking forward to it.
Exactly.
I know it's 4 days in a row.
Like I can always listen to the music. I'm not a big fan of carnival rides, so honestly, even if the rain ruins that, I'll be like, okay.
Yeah, I know. Just sit outside, enjoy the sun, listen to the music, and then you have the fireworks show at night as well. So yeah, the forecast after today is actually looking good, but we have to get through this batch of strong to severe weather first. But the good news is this is our last one for a while. Starting with this evening, right now we have scattered storms in the immediate central New York area. There's a couple of severe thunderstorms and areas of flooding that we're concerned about. One up to the north as we zoom in our live triple Doppler radar, a newly issued warning that they actually just put out. It will likely update. This one says 5:30, but I'm guessing that this will probably be extended until about 6 p.m. This includes areas by Montague, Michigan Mills, Lowville, and heading towards Lionsdale. This is a strong thunderstorm producing 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, some heavy rain that's leading to flash flooding for areas further southwest as well. We have a flash flood warning for areas by Greensboro, Beecherville, Otto Mills, Monteola and Montague. This goes until 9:15 p.m. This means that flooding is occurring or about to occur. They've already seen 2 to 3 inches of rainfall in this area. So if you do encounter any roads that have water over them, do not drive through them and make sure to get it reported so they can block that road off from other people as well. Going further south, down by Cortland County, there's another flash flood warning. This goes until 8 p.m. for areas by Hartford, Caroline, Upper Fairfield, Berkshire, and Richford. This is where we've also seen a couple of inches of rain that has already fallen and flooding likely occurring. That's not the only concern. We're seeing some areas of wind damage from the storms that have already rolled through. Cortland County is one of the hardest hit areas. Each one of these, just to summarize quickly for you, is a tree or wire down. Some of them fell across roads, some on houses, but notice that it's all across Cortland. So just be careful when you're driving around, especially in this area. This is one of the hardest hit areas by a severe thunderstorm we had earlier this afternoon. And even over by McGraw, another wind damage report. Further south, we have flooding over by Slaterville. There's water on Central Chapel and Connington roads, water flowing over the roads in low places, and there were pictures sent in of that. There's also another area of flooding in northern Oneida County by Stokes Corner, where even some of the road is beginning to fall apart. So just be careful, keep your eye on the roads if you're going to be out and about this evening. The severe weather threat continues only until sunset, and then it's expecting to die off as we get some quieter air and drier conditions behind this strong system. So scattered storms from right now up until about 9 p.m. as they exit east. So this is our last batch. Then just a few lingering sprinkles after sunset, and any of those showers look to dissipate before sunrise. And tomorrow for Oswego Harborfest is looking pretty good. Partly sunny, upper 70s, sunshine Friday, low 80s. Then we're up to 90 by Sunday, keeping the sunshine all weekend. Still in the low 90s to start next week. Next chance for rain will be afternoon scattered storms both Tuesday and Wednesday. Still feeling hot and humid in the upper 80s to near 90. Alora?